This video is on how to farm the Tapioca airdrop. It is a testnet airdrop, so you don't need any money to farm the airdrop. Tapioca has confirmed that they will have a token called TAP. They have not, however, confirmed airdrop to testnet users, but in the crypto community, there's a strong speculation that testers will get an airdrop. If they, however, happen not to airdrop TAP to test users, the only thing you will have spent is time, and that is okay because the way I make my videos, you get to learn something. Tapioca is a DAO building an omni-chain money market across 17 plus EVM and non-EVM chain. The project has raised $6 million at a whopping 44 million valuation from investors like Layer Zero Network, Jones DAO, The Way Capital, and others. And as usual, I will show you first the theory, then the practical. To farm this airdrop, what do you need? One is your MetaMask wallet, and the second one is your device. I like to use my computer as usual. I believe you should be able to do this on your phone, but use the browser in your MetaMask app. What are the steps? To MetaMask, add the testnet network of Polygon Matic, Phantom, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. 2. Get test token for the added network, that is Polygon, Phantom, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. And 3. Head over to the Tapioca DAO platform and use its testnet to mint token, teleport to move tokens between chains, mint to mint USDO, and use lend and borrow. Guys, I have some important information to relate to you at the end of this video, so make sure you stay to the end. Give this video a like right away and subscribe if you have not. Let's get to the practical. So I have my MetaMask, and step 1, to add test chain, I'll go to chainlist.org and I'll click on include testnet. I'll now search for the network. So I'll search for Polygon first, and when you scroll down is Mumbai. This is Polygon testnet. I'll click to connect my wallet, connect, and I'll click on approve. Switch network. So this has been added. The next one is Phantom. So this is Phantom testnet. Add to MetaMask, approve. The next one is Arbitrum. Now we have Arbitrum Gully and Arbitrum Sepolia. It is Arbitrum Gully. So I'm going to add to MetaMask, approve. And finally, we have Avalanche. So this is Avalanche Fuji. So I'll click on add to MetaMask, approve. So this is it. I'm done with step 1. The next thing is to get the testnet tokens. These are the links to get the testnet token. I'll leave all of them in the description below. So the first one I'm going to go is Polygon. This is the site to get the Polygon testnet. It's pretty easy. I'll go to MetaMask and I want to switch this to Polygon Mumbai, right? Now I don't even actually need to switch. All I need is this wallet address. It's the same for all of them. I'll copy it and paste here. Then I'll click on send me Matic. Okay, yes, Matic has been sent. I have received Matic. If I click on my wallet right now, you see I have 0.22 Matic. So I'm going to go to FTN faucet to get the test token. So I'll go ahead and paste the same wallet address here. Click I'm not a robot. Okay, I have successfully gotten the test FTM, and I can request 5 test FTM once per address every 5 minutes. Next one is Avalanche. To request AVAX test token, it is not really straightforward because there are 2 ways. It's either you paste your wallet address here. If you don't have any AVAX in your real wallet, you have to get a coupon code, right? Either maybe from you join their Discord group and get a coupon code. If you don't want to do this, you have to have over 0 AVAX in your real wallet. Let me show you what I mean. So if I go back to my MetaMask wallet and I click on this network session and I want to switch to the Avalanche network seed chain. This is the real network, right? You can see I have 0.001 AVAX. This is about $0.36. Now, because I have this, my wallet balance is over 0. I can get the testnet token easily. So I just paste my wallet address here now, and I can request for AVAX, 2 AVAX. If I don't have that balance, I'll have to get a coupon code. So I click on request. So this is headed for my wallet right now. So the last one is the Arbitrum. Now what we need is the Arbitrum Gully, which is not also straightforward to get. One place we can get it is this website, faucet.triangle.platform.com/Arbitrum/Gully. But the thing is this, we can't even get it because the balance is 0.00043 and what we need is 0.0001. So if we paste this here to get Arbitrum Gully, it's not going to work. It's go ahead and tell me insufficient fund. So we won't use this method. So the method we're going to use is that we're going to get Ethereum Gully, then bridge it to Arbitrum. So I'll go to this website. Mind you, I'll leave all this in the description. I'll go to this website to get Ethereum Gully, right? I'll go ahead and paste the wallet address here. Click I'm not a robot. And click send me it. So 02 Gully it has been sent to our wallet. I actually like to request more than one. So I'll go to this other website, the same Triangle platform, to request for Gully it. So I'll paste my wallet address here and I'll click on request. So success, it has also been sent to our wallet. Now, to check this Ethereum, I'll go to MetaMask, and when I click here, I'm going to click on show test network. It's going to bring me Gully, right? I'll click on it. So you can see I have 0.021 Gully here. So what I would do now is to go to this website, bridge.arbitrum.io, right? And I'll go ahead and connect my wallets. Connect MetaMask, and what I would do is that I'll click on this from Ethereum here, and I will click on testnet mode, then select Gully. So I want to select maximum, and this is going to Arbitrum Gully. I'll click on move funds to Arbitrum Gully. You don't have sufficient Gully it. So what I would do is that to leave some for transaction fee, I will only send 0.02. Click on this, click on confirm, and this is now sending. It will arrive in approximately 10 minutes. So that is basically it. So if I go back to my wallet and I click on this drop down and I click on Avalanche Fuji, you see I have 2 AVAX here. If I click on Arbitrum Gully, it has not yet arrived because it is still sending here. If I click on Phantom, I have 5 Phantom. And if I click on the last one, which is Polygon Mumbai, I have 0.2285 Matic. So with this, I can go straight to step 3. So for number 3, the first thing I do is we're going to do testnet, teleport, mint, lend, and borrow. So we'll start with testnet. First thing I do is to connect my wallet. So in the testnet, the first thing I'm going to mint is I'll start with Matic M. I'll click on it, click on mint, and mint. We'll mint the first one. This is Matic M. I can now close it. Here, these are the tokens that we're going to mint. We'll do them one after the other. So Matic M, the next one is Matic LPM. I'll click on it and I'll click on mint. I'll go ahead and mint the rest of this token that you can see here on the screen. So this is it. We are done with the testnet. So we have actually minted all this token. The next thing we do is to go to teleports. And in teleports, we are basically going to move tokens from one chain to another. So the first one we'll do is I'm going to look for Phantom here, this FTMM. Then I'm going to move the Phantom to Polygon. Click on Polygon here. Then I want to move 50% of my Phantom. And I click on teleports. While this is being done, I also want to move some more of my Phantom to Avalanche Fuji. So I click on teleports. So basically what we're doing here is just to move coins across different chain. It's part of the testnet. So this one is also going. I'll go ahead and close this. And the next thing I want to do is for Polygon. So I'm going to click here, go to Polygon. So this is Polygon M. I want to move, I'll click on it. I want to move 50% of my Polygon M to Phantom. So I'll click on Phantom here. Click on teleports. All right, this has been completed. Now I want to do the same for Avalanche. I'll click here and choose AVAX M, right? I want to move 50% to Phantom. It's already on Phantom. I'll click on teleports. So as this is going, I also want to move some of my AVAX M, again, this case, to Polygon. And I'll click on teleports. So this is moving. And finally, what I want to do is to move the RAP8. RAP8 is on Arbitrum. So this is it. I'm going to click on it. I want to move some of it to Polygon as well. So I'm going to click on teleports. So this is done now. So if I click on here, you can see that I have moved coins across chain. So that is that for teleports. The next one I will do is I'll go to mint here. Here, I'm going to click on wrap it here. And what I want to do is to mint USDO. So I want to make it with 50% of my W8. And collateral, I'm going to put it at 25%. I'll go ahead and click on mint. So this has been done. So I've done the minting. What I'll do next is to go to lend. On the lend, I'll go to GLMP USDO. I'll click on it. And what do I want to lend? This is what I minted, right? USDO. I want to lend it to receive GLMP. So I'm going to click on lend and confirm and sign the transaction. Okay, this is done. Now, finally, we have borrow. Now in this borrow section, I've actually tried a combination of all these and none of them worked. So I won't just bother myself with the borrow now. So I'm going to leave this at this. Now, the information I want to give that is quite important is Twitter, X. If you're not following me on Twitter, then you are missing out. It takes me 3 to 4 days from start to editing and publishing of a video here on YouTube. On Twitter, it takes a day or less. Some information I give on Twitter does not even make it to here on YouTube. So if you're not following me on Twitter, then you should go ahead and do that right away. I publish all the video here on YouTube on Twitter as well, and I host spaces and hold one-on-one conversation with you guys. I'm also dropping quite a lot of airdrop steps that can farm right away on Twitter multiple times a week. And the second information is this: there are 3 airdrops that I think that are going to be huge. They are not free. They require $180 to farm. If you want me to make that video, just comment Jude, make the video in the comment section and give this video a like. If I receive up to 1,000 likes and 100 comments asking me this, then I'll go ahead and make that video.